This was not smart of me. Now I have to balance the coffee and my phone in one hand because I have my luggage. Great.
Well, we can still have fun with this.
All right. Yes, rare to see them out here.
And I love the numbering on the indicator.
It is cool. This floor is slippery. And there's traction. One more.
Listen to the noise.
Is the button loose?
Yeah.
Great.
It's very loose.
Lovely.
Ew. Why not go up one more time?
Yep. Here, hold it for a sec. Or don't. No. Can you hold it for a second?
Oh, yeah.
Please? Thank you. I just wanted to... Oh, great. I don't want to know what that's covering. There's another level up from here? Or can you... No, it... Yeah, it must be. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's locked off right there. Right there. Yep.
Okay. I can only hold an elevator door for so
Took it a long time to nudge.
And there's a security camera watching us.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a smoke detector that's a camera.
Now I get to put it back in my hand with the coffee because I can't hold the coffee and roll my suitcase or I'll spill the coffee.
That would be the end of the world.
Well, I'm getting a nice view of the ground with my phone right now. There it goes. That's it.